Hello, my name is Kelsey Bryce, and I'll be doing a report on a GSS Research report. I'll begin my abstract. Happiness is a major key within our population. Happiness has an effect on your emotional, mental, and physical needs. I don't believe each race understands how important mental health is. It is a reason to why you are happy. Constantly be positive by bringing joy into your space. On top of happiness, receiving a level degree will increase the person's average mood. It shows that you have accomplished something in your life and that you have made your family proud as well as yourself. Moving to my introduction. Provided to us is a document on the GSS database. GSS is an acronym for General Social Survey, which gathers information on the society that it can monitor so that it can monitor trends as well as explain the differences in attitudes, behaviors, and attributes. The GSS database has been used since 1972. It has been used to track numbers of trends over the time spans of the 70 years. Each year is focused on a different type of module with various amount of topics. For example, in 1988, they focused on religious socialization, behaviors, and beliefs. The GS is a major teaching tool that is used by college students, individuals who are writing their PhD dissertation. The purpose of the GSS database is to make data attainable and affordable for students, scholars, professors, and others. Moving to my data. I ran my cross-stats on race, general happiness, and the highest level of degree. The data showed that white individuals are more happier than people of color. What I did not expect was that people of color would not be twice as happy as white when it came time to attain a degree. I noticed the reason to why the people of color percent were not as twice as white individuals. There were more whites who had completed the survey. The numbers changed drastically with each level of degree, but I do believe that there were an equal number of participants. The results would not have been so low. Figure 1 is a bar graph that shows the level of happiness for high school diplomas. And you can see that the whites, they were pretty happy with the highest percent, and blacks, they were not too happy when it came to receiving a high school diploma. And in the other races, they were also very happy with receiving their diploma. Moving to my results. When it comes to high school, not many black individuals were very happy when it came to receiving their high school diploma. You would think that they would view this as a major accomplishment. Even the whites who were not too happy to receive their diploma were 20% away from individuals who were happy to receive theirs. Receiving a high school diploma is a big deal, so to see that an individual is not happy to have received their diploma saddens me. Moving to my conclusion. In conclusion, the following summary reflects the research paper that I conducted on the GSS, which is also known as the General Social Survey. The GSS database has helped a plethora of individuals who are in college, scholars, professors, individuals who are writing a dissertation. It is used in magazines, journal articles, and newspapers. It is used to also monitor the changes throughout modern-day society. GIS is constantly adding numerous amount of changes to their data because society changes every day. There's always something new that has started a trend and that will eventually die out. By using GSS database, it has helped further my knowledge on how to use SPSS with multiple variables. It has strengthened my confidence on how to understand data and to be able to read results from running the data. This is a great practice for those who are using SPSS, and the database will be useful to many generations students at college and university. And below is my reference. Thank you for tuning in to my voiceover, and that'll be all. Thank you.